My dear friends, I am quite sure that we are very familiar with the gospel reading today. But let me ask you, do we see its relevance today? This gospel message, this gospel episode, this teaching of Jesus in our gospel reading according to St. Matthew, do we see its relevance today? For one, yes, it is still relevant because there is so much hate happening around. I'm sure we have our share of hate. We hate someone, we somehow hate our situation. There is that experience of hate. And so, nagkatawa bitaw ko, kining giingon diri, you have heard it was said. Murag dili man ni past, murag nahigot man ta sa past, kay daghan pa mang naay mga hate. And so, this particular message of Jesus today is so relevant and very much real. And I hope we will be willing to embrace the challenge of Jesus to love our enemies. Another is that it is still relevant because Jesus' message is, for me, still timely to develop this particular culture of praying for one another, especially those who persecute us. For me, it is still relevant because I hope nga wa pa man ni mawa ba o kuruyawan ko nga ni aksyon na nigkawa kining culture of praying, especially those who have persecuted us, who have sinned against us. Nya lisod baya iampo kung dunay kaligut-gut diha sa kaugalingon. And it's all the more we need to make sense. It is still making sense to pray, to ask God first to remove that hate inside of us and pray eventually for these persons who might have wronged us. It's all the more relevant to really pray. If dili man ganit ta dayon makahigugma ba, at least makasugod ta ug ampo kanila nga nakapakasakit nato.